Students, do you know some animals, those who are the mammals, they lay eggs. And what those animals are known as? The animals like duck-billed platypus and spiny anteaters. You can see two pictures. So these animals, they are mammals. It means they feed to their babies. They feed milk to their babies, but they lay eggs. So this is the only exception. Okay. So next, structure of an egg. So we will learn about the animals who lay eggs. But before that, we should know what is the structure of an egg. Okay. For that, I will do this. I have brought one egg. Okay. You can see this is one egg. So the outer hard covering, this is called the egg cell. This is called egg cell. So I am going to break it. So you will see what is inside. Okay. So you can see this white jelly substance, this is albumin. What is this? Albumin. And albumin is rich of proteins. Okay, white jelly like substance is called albumin and it is rich of proteins. Albumin supplies water to the embryo. Embryo means the growing baby, growing unborn baby which present inside the yolk. So this yellow part, this is yolk. Okay, and yolk is rich of fats, vitamins and minerals. Yolk provides or gives food to embryo. Okay, so embryo, in some eggs you have seen one red spot in yolk, that is the embryo or unborn growing baby. Okay, so this is the structure of egg you saw here. The outer hard covering, that is egg cell, and the white jelly like substance which present inside the egg, that is albumin, which is rich of protein and it supplies water to the embryo, and the yolk, yellow part is known as yolk, and this is rich of fats, vitamins, minerals which supplies food to the growing embryo, and embryo there will be one red spot inside the yolk which is the embryo or growing baby, growing unborn baby. Okay. So this is the structure of one egg. That embryo develops into a baby. Then we will see animals that lay eggs. First, birds. So birds make their nest to lay eggs. Then the birds sit on their eggs and this is called incubation. Why? Because the eggs need warmth to hatch. To hatch means to break. So the parent animal, it sits on its egg so that the eggs will get warmth and it can hatch. Okay. Reptiles, they do not sit on their eggs. They keep their eggs in holes, and some other animals, they keep their eggs as it is so that it will get sunlight, so that it can get the warmth which helps to hatch. So after this incubation means giving warmth to the eggs. Okay, after this incubation, then the egg hatches. Okay, the egg hatches. This is called hatching. The egg breaks from which the newborn baby comes out. This process is called hatching. Then next, you can see the babies are born from that egg. Okay, so this is the process by which birds or other egg laying animals, they give birth to their young ones. So next, this is the life cycle of a hen. As I am teaching you bird, so here I have taken the example of hen. So here you can see the adult hen. Okay, the adult hen, it lays eggs. So it lays eggs. Then this eggs, it needs warmth. So the parent, it provides warmth to the eggs, so which is called incubation. After incubating the egg, okay, during the incubation period, the embryo, you can see the newborn baby, it starts growing inside the egg. So after incubation, the egg hatches, which is called hatching. Hatching means in which the egg breaks and the new baby, new chick comes out. Here you can see the chick came out, and when the chick will grow, it will become an adult. Okay, and again the same process will move on. So this is looking like one cycle. So that's why this is life cycle. Okay, so what do you mean by life cycle? Life cycle. So what do you mean by life cycle? Life cycle means the different stages of development of an animal from the embryo stage up to the adult stage forms its life cycle. I showed you the life cycle of hen, how the embryo, it developed into the adult one. So this is the cyclic process. That's why it is known as life cycle. Okay. You saw the egg laying animals, birds. Now another egg laying animals, reptiles. Reptiles, I told you, what do you mean by reptiles? Reptiles are the crawling animal, the animal who crawls on ground. Examples, tell me beta. Yes, crocodile, lizards, snakes, tortoise. These are the examples of reptiles. Reptiles also give birth to their, reptiles lay eggs, okay, to produce their young ones, to produce their babies. Okay, so let's see the pictures of reptiles. It's too interesting. Lizard, can you see the eggs of lizard? Yes. Then crocodile, crocodile keeps its egg in hole. Okay. Then snake, snake also keeps its eggs inside the hole. Then tortoise, same with the tortoise. Tortoise also keep its eggs inside the holes. Reptiles, they do not sit on their eggs, or they do not undergo the incubation. Okay, they keep their eggs inside the hole. So that's how their eggs get warmth and hatches. Okay, so this is all about our today's session. In the next session, we will learn about egg laying animals like insects, then amphibians. Okay, so we will take the revision on board.